Welcome back. In this video, we're making olive salad. Break open 4½ cups of green olives by pressing down with the palm of your hand. Place the green olives into a large pot. Do not remove the pits. Keep them inside. Followed by 2 cups of small pitted green olives, 1 32-ounce jar of giardiniera, 4 to 6 stalks of celery, 1 16-ounce bag of carrot chips, 1 whole sweet onion. Pour in 1 cup of olive oil, 1 cup of olive juice, and 1 cup of giardiniera juice. Season with pepper and oregano. Give it a quick mix. Cover. Place in the refrigerator to marinate for 24 hours. Place into a serving dish. Ladle some of the juice over the top. And there we have it. Olive salad. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.